Good afternoon, my friends. Congress just announced that $500 monthly relief payments will be going out very soon. However, the eligibility requirements to qualify for such a payment has been changed. This means that some Americans may have to take action to receive a check from the next batch of payments. So my friends, please make sure to watch until the end of this video if you would like to claim this extra stimulus money as soon as possible. Also, do share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable stimulus news. And if you would like to enter my Walmart gift card giveaway, where I'll be giving away 3 $75 Walmart gift cards this coming Friday, then please be sure to listen for the keyword from this video.
The Biden energy policies have resulted in record high prices at the pump for American consumers. In some places across America today, people are paying $5 a gallon for gasoline. That's not the case. If you just take a look at what prices were like when Joe Biden took office, price gallon of gasoline, $2.38 the day Biden became president. It's probably lower than that the day he was elected president. Went up when he became president, and now, before the invasion of Ukraine by Russia, the price at the pump was $3.53 in the United States. This is all on Joe Biden. Families in America know that in Joe Biden's first year as president, they paid over $1,000 more for energy than they did the year before. Joe Biden is the president of high gas prices. And now the White House is trying to play catch up. The spokesperson at the White House said that, well, we're producing at record numbers. That's not true. We're producing about 1.4 million barrels less a day. 1.4 million barrels less a day than we were right before the pandemic. Big difference.
All right, my friends. Stimulus checks coming from the federal government have gone out several times during this entire crisis. Checks were sent out to most Americans twice in 2020 and once again in the spring of 2021. Now, after the American Rescue Plan Act, President Biden and many lawmakers are pushing for a fourth round of stimulus checks for this year. This relief will help many Americans with the continuing rise in inflation. The good news, friends, is that many states in our country have decided to send out their own form of relief payments. States have launched initiatives to send state stimulus checks. The state of California, as well as Colorado and Minnesota, are also now beginning negotiations. And now the state of Massachusetts Governor Charlie Baker has announced that they will send $500 payments to hundreds of thousands of eligible residents of Massachusetts. These payments are the result of a spending plan enacted late last year and paid for from the leftover American Rescue Plan Act funds. Eligibility for the program is based on 2020 Massachusetts tax return, and citizens of the state are eligible if their income from employment that year is at least $12,750, and their total income put them 300% of the federal poverty level. Those who received unemployment compensation that year, sadly, will not be eligible for the first round of these payments. In an official announcement, Governor Baker said, "This round of payments to low-income workers will provide meaningful support for individuals who continue to work despite the global crisis." Friends, it's really great to know that many states have been able to quickly design relief programs to get funds out the door to those who need additional financial assistance that need it the most right now. The $500 payments will be mailed out automatically by the end of this month. A second round of checks will be announced by the state at a later date. Friends, the keyword for this video is blue. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's $75 Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos. Comment below this keyword and additional keywords from any video of mine that you watch. And please do make sure that you are also subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. So please do not worry if you are not a resident of the state of Massachusetts. Many Americans will be eligible for a $1,400 stimulus check this year. Some Americans will be able to claim additional payments when they file their taxes and could be eligible for the full $1,400 payment. One way that Americans may be eligible for a full $1,400 payment is if they had a child in 2021. This is because the 2021 economic impact payments were based on a person's 2019 or 2020 tax return. So any eligible dependent that came into the family last year would not have been included in the payment amount. For those who have a child who qualifies for the recovery rebate credit, you can claim the dependent when you file your tax return this year. Unlike the first two rounds of payments, which limited dependent eligibility to just children, the third stimulus check made accommodations for dependents of all ages. So a person who adds a parent or a grandparent or another eligible dependent to their household could also be eligible for a $1,400 payment. If a person did not add a dependent to their family in 2021, they still may be able to claim the recovery rebate credit on their 2021 tax return. Since the 2021 economic impact payments were based on a person's 2020 income, they could be eligible for additional money if they lost income in 2021. For example, if a single filer made $80,000 in 2020, they would not have qualified for a stimulus check because of the income cap. However, if their adjusted gross income dropped to $75,000 in 2020, they could claim the full $1,400 when they file their tax return this year. Anyone who thinks that they may be eligible for more money than they received should pay close attention when filing your taxes this year, as it will be the last chance to receive these funds. Friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you very, very much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you, and I truly hope that you found this video helpful. Please, friends, share my video with your friends and family if they need more reliable and accurate stimulus news information. Thank you very much and have a wonderful and blessed Tuesday.